Good morning, everyone. Today I am in Sevenoaks, in this place called Sevenoaks Wildlife Reserve. It's a 73-hectare site with 5 large lakes. You've got lots of wildlife here. Lots of people like to come here to photograph the wildlife. There's lots of different types of species of birds and everything. I'm going to be walking around today, making the most of the sunshine, which is something we don't get much of here in the UK. Hope you enjoy the video. If you come here by car, there's a £2.50 car park charge, which is not really expensive in my opinion. I think you pay £2.50 to park for the whole day. And it's quite a big car park as well, so you won't need to worry about finding any space to park your car. They've got a visitor centre here, which unfortunately is currently closed due to refurbishment, but it's due to open again in summer 2025, so very soon. They've got a cafe there, which you can stop by for a coffee whenever you're hungry. As you can see, you've got this stunning lake right over here. Look at the size of it. It looks absolutely beautiful with the sun shining on the water. Honestly, it's such a nice day today. I'm so glad I came here. It is such a beautiful day today. The sky is very blue. It looks really, really nice. You've got this beautiful little area here, which is called a wild space. You've got lots of little things to do here, lots of wildlife. As you can see, there's a squirrel right here eating some food. I've got a little robin over there, don't know if it's clear on the camera. Would you look at this view, guys? Look how stunning this lake is. I think this is one of the most beautiful places I've actually ever been to. I've seen so much wildlife while walking around this place. There's like so many robins and different types of birds everywhere. Never seen so many birds in one place. And also all these lakes, which are absolutely stunning. As you can see, the one right behind me there. Look how beautiful it is. I'm quite glad I actually brought my wellies today. It's been raining quite a bit for the past few days and it's quite muddy here, so at least I'm wearing these. I can't get over how beautiful this place is. I mean, look at the size of these lakes. They're massive. People love going inside this hut overlooking a massive lake to take pictures of the different species of wildlife. Unfortunately, when I tried entering, it was already full, so I didn't get to film it inside. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed exploring Sevenoaks Wildlife Reserve as much as I did. And I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button as it really helps support my channel.